Hi, my name is Torkel, and I've been working on a brand new game we would like to show you. The game is called Puffy Ghost, and it's a simple and fun arcade game where the player has to both navigate well and answer correctly to get a good score. Let's dive in and I will show you. What you have to do is to fly Puffy, our little ghost, between these gravestones. Tap the screen on your phone or click the mouse or the spacebar on your computer to puff little Puffy upwards. As you can see, after a little while, you will get a multiple choice question to pop up. The score you get will depend on if you answer correctly or not, or on how fast you answer. A wrong answer will still give you points, but they will be lower. You'll also have to catch the following gem to cash in these points, but if you hit the wall, your score will be reduced. And if you're lucky like I was, the Game Lab Cat and Nukas will give you a gem with an extra high score, called a Super Gem. When you cross the finish line at the end of the game, you'll see how well you performed against others on the high score list, and get the opportunity to try again. If you want to create your own Puffy Ghost game, all you have to do is come up with some questions and answers, feed them into the editor, and you'll be good to go. So go on ahead and create your own game for your students in just minutes.